Oh, it stopped recording?
Yeah, my bad. Do it again.
Oh, what was I saying? Okay, yeah, Steve Rodriguez told us to come here, the Betsy Head Skate Park. So we're here now. I believe it's a new park. It was just built, so it's fairly new. I'm sitting on these benches outside the park that look skatable. Let's show you this park. Let's show you what it's all about. Come on, let's get inside. Oh yeah, we're here with Louis too. Louis Tolentino. This character.
Hello. Shout out to the Rat Toms.
Forget about it. Hey, we're in Brooklyn. Yo, Louis Tolentino here, and we're in the park. As soon as you get in here, there's this nice sized quarter pipe, probably 3 feet high. Beginners, if you guys don't know your transition, proper spot to start learning. Very nice quarter pipe here. Yeah! Right across from the quarter pipe I just showed you is this other quarter pipe like object. It's like a half moon. Hit it like a wave. And then you have this volcano that's right here. You got a lot of transition as soon as you get in the park. Yo, my man was watching Maloof and we just ran into him. He said, I was watching your video before we got here. It's Dante, right?
Yeah, Dante.
What up, Dante?
Nice to meet you, bro.
Oh yeah. This your closest park?
Yeah, this still is my local to me. I used to live across the street. I moved like Madison and Bushwick Ave over there. So it's like, I don't know, what's the closest park to there?
What's your favorite park?
Favorite park? Long Beach and Long Island. Like, I think it's Long Island.
All right.
With the bowl.
Yeah. Round bar here, this round rail. Looks to be about 12 feet long and a foot high. Definitely smooth. Not too big, not too small, but if you got your rail tricks, this is perfect. Yeah. We're in the center of the park and they have this nice fun box right here. Manual top with a slant, where it's a hubba, you know, or a ledge, whatever you guys call it. That's what it is, it's right there.
Nose grind by Mr. Vinny here at Betsy Skatepark, Brownsville, New York.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh, I just almost went lightheaded streaming into that thing. There's a rail. That's pretty big. That looks like 2 feet high. I don't know. It's a big rail, guys. It's right there. And there's 2 banks on either side of this thing. Here is the start of your bowl. Wall ride to ledge. This is trash. What are you doing?
This is Major Tom to ground. Oh, good night.
Whoa! Ah! Oh!
I don't get it. You got all this room.
This is Lewis. Hi, Lou. God, this park has stuff that we've never really seen. It's like awkward, like that tranny into the top, then it's slanted, and then I don't know. It's weird. But guys, this spot is actually cool because you could hit it like a snake run, cruise around, hit it like a small bowl, or you could hit it like a ramp, a mini ramp on both sides. We're at the other side of the park. It's shady over here. The flow is weird, I'd say, but I think you can make your way around if you really wanted to. We didn't show you this bank, but it's pretty big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ride all day, man.
I'm gonna play him in CeeLo real quick. Watch this, bro. 4, 5, 6. Say no. Oh my God, that was so close.
You still want money though.
That's so close. This bench that we didn't skate, it's all good. And this other bench that we didn't skate because it was just loaded with backpacks. It was loaded with drinks. It was loaded with people. Ground report here with Louis Tolentino.
Yes.
How's the ground, Louis?
I love it. It's perfect ground. We got beautiful ledges. We got all types of quarter pipes, all kind of sizes, manis, rails. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. I think I said rails twice.
I concur. Look at it, Ant. Just look at it. That's Louis. We want to show you this rail, and we wanted to definitely show you this section too. Looks like a peeling 4-foot wave. Come shred this thing. Guys, this was the park. That's the whole park. It was a lot of fun here. Definitely enjoyed this park. We're out of here. Tox and Margs, Gustavo, we miss you. Well, we came here to the Brownsville Park. The what do you call it? What park is it?
Betsy?
Betsy. Forget about it. We came to the Betsy Park.
Hey, forget about it, all right? Betsy Head.
The first stop
Betsy
in
Head,
our
yeah.
first stop in BK. Not too big of a park. It's great because everything's concrete, so it's smooth like butter. Shout out to Louis for coming through again.
Shout out to you guys. Thank you.
Yeah, man. Full atmosphere. The weather was perfect. Dante, you're the man. Thank you for watching the Maloof edit today and then running into us. That was rad.
Yeah, there's some good homies here.
And your friends were super rad too. Guys, if you like the merch, please check out our site at www.radboardsport.co. Follow us on Instagram. We're constantly loading content. We're also on Facebook.
I love it.
We try to stay off of Facebook because everyone's a politician and a doctor.
It's getting crazy.
But you know, guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. What park should we go to in Brooklyn next? What do you think? Let us know. Drop a comment.
Transit.
Hey!
Nah, I don't know.
Thank you guys. Don't forget to ride all day.
How you doing?
Forget it.
New York Street Talk, America's best.
Yo, I'm not new to this, I'm true to this.
Forget about it.